What's up, fam? So regarding the Quantum Wallet airdrop, we're going to be talking about the official listing of the ATU token on PancakeSwap and also how to convert the SATU token to the ATU token, which is the native token of the Quantum Wallet, guys. All right. So I'll be showing you other ways in which you can generate income for yourselves right here on the Quantum Wallet by participating on the ATS AI staking and as well some recent updates on the Quantum app. Okay, so make sure to stick with me all through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is End with Dawn, and what we'll do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Dawn Comes TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on the Quantum Wallet Telegram community right now. As you can see right here, they currently have about 141,000 members. Okay, so right here on this group, guys, everyone has the ability to communicate. Okay, you can actually share your thoughts right here. You can ask questions, anything you actually want, you just type it and send, guys. So that is basically one of the functionalities of this group, guys. Okay, but that is not the basic reason why we're here. So the reason why we're here is because, as you can see up here, it says ATU token now officially launched on PancakeSwap. Okay, and down here it says decentralized exchange. The global market is now officially connected and ATU is fully open for circulation. Okay, so down below here it says the launch time was May 8th, and over here it says that the trading platform is PancakeSwap and it's under the BSC chain, as you can see right here. Okay, so down below here is the contract address of the ATU token. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy this address right here and quickly head over to the PancakeSwap to check if truly this token has been listed on PancakeSwap, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Trust Wallet account dashboard right now. So down below here that says discover, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, we're going to hit on the search bar right here and just type in PancakeSwap. Okay, PancakeSwap. I'm going to hit on it right here, as you can see. Okay, so here we are. So over here that says BNB, I'm going to hit on BNB right here and just hit on the search bar that says search by name or paste address. I'm going to paste the address right here, guys. Okay, boom. So as you can see down here, guys, it says ATU Quantum. All right, so over here that says import, I'm going to hit on import right here to actually import this wallet. So over here there's actually a warning that says anyone can create tokens on BNB smart chain with any name, including creating fake versions of existing tokens and tokens that claim to represent projects that do not have a token. All right, so it says if you purchase a fraudulent token, you may be exposed to permanent loss of funds. So guys, be careful. So this is the prompt to over here that says I understand. I'm going to hit on it and just click on import down here. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we have our ATU token over here. All right, so the next step right now would be changing this place right here that says cake to USDT. And then we simply check the current rate of one ATU token to USDT, guys. Okay, so how do we do that? So we can just type it right here and say one ATU. Okay, so one ATU token right here is worth 0.36 cents, guys. Okay, so this is the current price of one ATU to USDT. All right, so now that we know that the ATU token is currently listed on PancakeSwap, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can unlock the ATU token on a daily basis, and as well how you can make withdrawals straight down into your crypto wallet when you're actually done converting your ATU to USDT, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are back on the Quantum Wallet group right now. So as you can see right here, this is basically the unlock guide on how you can unlock the ATU tokens, guys. All right, so as you can see right here, it says ATU token staking unlocking rules, and down below here it says the first step is depositing USDT, TRX or BNB into your Quantum account. Okay, and the second step right here says when you are done depositing USDT, you now need to purchase the ATU coins, guys. Okay, so when you are done purchasing the ATU coins, the next step would be participating in the ATS smart trading. All right, and thirdly, guys, it says that SATU is automatically unlocked as ATU income every 6 days. All right, so down below here are the staking rules. It says support any amount of staking, minimum 50 ATU. Okay, so 50 ATU when converted to USDT is actually worth the sum of 18 USDT, guys. All right, and over here says can participate in multiple ATS smart trading orders at the same time. Okay, so what this actually means is that you can have different trades running at the same time. All right, And down below here says automatically unlock 6% of the number of staking R2 coins every 6 days and unlock 30% every month. Okay, so they actually went further to show you the income calculation formula down below here. All right, so make sure to actually join the group so you actually get informed on everything that is going on right here on the Quantum Wallet ecosystem, guys. All right, so before you can actually start participating on the staking right here, you first of all need to have updated your Quantum Wallet app. Okay, so how do you update your app, guys? You can update your app by going over to the Quantum Wallet website. So when you actually go over there, you're going to see a download link to actually download the new app. So when you are done downloading and installing the application, you can now start participating on the Quantum ATS, guys. Okay, so thereafter you can start unlocking the R2 tokens each and every single day, guys. All right, so that is basically how you can do that. So I'm going to be leaving a link to the website down below this video description, and also it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. All right, so all you just simply need to do is go over there, hit on the link, and actually do exactly as you are told right here. All right, so that is basically how you can do that, guys. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my Quantum app right now, so I show you guys exactly how you can do this practically to actually start unlocking your R2 tokens each and every single day for yourselves, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Quantum Wallet account dashboard right now. So as you can see up here, guys, a new functionality has been added to the app, which is the C2C function right here. It's more like the P2P where you actually get to buy and sell R2 tokens to various persons who are willing to buy or sell, guys. Okay, so before I show you all exactly how you can participate on the ATS function down below here to actually unlock your R2 tokens, I'm going to be looking at this C2C option right here, so actually get to know more about it. All right, so I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. Boom. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, there are various persons who are buying and selling the R2 tokens over here. Okay, so let's say you actually want to buy R2 tokens. All you simply do is hit on buy, and then you find someone who actually wants to sell to you. Okay, so remember, guys, buy is sell and sell is buy. All right, so that is basically how P2P works, guys. Okay, so over here says that this person has a quantity of 3,837 worth of R2, and his limit is actually 5 R2 in terms of selling. Okay, so let's say you actually want to buy from this person right now. Just simply hit on buy. So you can simply impute the amount of R2 token you actually want to buy up here, guys. Okay, by hitting on this place and just typing it right here. As you can see, my available balance of USDT right now is currently 1.3 USDT right here. So this money can't actually buy token right now, because the minimum amount this guy actually wants to sell right here is 5 R2, as you can see over here. Okay, and this amount right here is currently worth about 3 R2. So this is basically how you can buy R2 tokens right here on the C2C section of the Quantum Wallet, guys. Okay, but before you can actually come over here, make sure you have actually deposited USDT or TRX, or as well you can also deposit BNB into your account before you can actually come right here to say you actually want to buy or sell your R2 tokens. Okay, so now that you know about these, guys, how can you actually make a deposit into your Quantum Wallet? So it's quite easy, guys. Okay, I'm going to go back right now. All right, so before I actually make a deposit right now, you can also use the express option up here to actually exchange either your TRX or your USDT to R2, as you can see right here. So let's say I actually want to do that right now. I can just hit on max right here and then convert to R2. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says confirm exchange. I'm going to hit on confirm again. Okay, as you can see, it says exchange successful. So that is basically how you can convert your USDT to R2 tokens. Okay, so let's say I actually want to convert back right now. I'm just going to swap it. Okay, and just hit on the max right here. As you can see, it says that 3.6 R2 is currently worth 1.3 USDT. I'm going to hit on confirm exchange again. Okay, so this time it says that the exchange currency amount must be greater than 10 R2. Okay, so this actually means that I need to have 10 R2 before I can convert to USDT. Okay, so that is basically what it means, guys. So now that you know about the express option right here, let's actually check what the tax section is right now. So I'm going to hit on tax right here. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it says complete tax to earn corresponding SATU rewards. Rewards to be automatically credited to your account. Tax quotas are limited. First come, first served. Okay, so down here it says task list, and one of the tags right here says follow and retweet on Twitter, and you actually get the sum of 1,000 R2 tokens. Okay, and this one right here says join groups and channels, and you also get the sum of 1,000 R2 token right here. And down below here says join the Facebook group, share the post to get rewards, and you also get the sum of 1,000 R2 token. Okay, so that is basically how you can partake in tax right here to earn 1,000 R2 tokens for each task you complete right here, guys. Okay, so now that you know exactly how you can earn R2 tokens just by completing tax, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can participate on the ATS trade staking right here on the Quantum Wallet to actually start unlocking your ATU tokens each and every single day. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says wallet, and over here that says receive. I'm going to hit on receive. Okay, because I'm going to be sending in some amount of USDT right here into my account right now to participate on this trading. So I'm going to copy my address right now, guys, and I'm going to head over to my crypto wallet to send in some money, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Binance account right now. So down below here that is asset, I'm going to hit on asset right here, and over here that says USDT, I'm going to hit on USDT right here, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on send. I'm going to hit on this place right here that says on-chain withdrawal. Okay, so I'm going to paste the address I copied from my Quantum account right now. So this is it. So down below here that says network, I'm going to hit on it and select the Tron TRC20. And over here that says withdraw, I'm going to hit on it and just type in 30 USDT. Okay, so as you can see down here, guys, it's actually a withdrawal fee of 1 USDT. So I'm going to erase the 0 right here and just hit on 31 right here. As you can see, I'm going to be receiving 30 inside my Quantum wallet. So I'm going to hit on withdraw right here, guys. So let's give this some time. I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, guys, so the withdrawal has been successful. As you can see, it says withdrawal processing 31 USDT. So down below here that says view history, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes. As you can see, it's currently processing right now. So let's give this some time, guys. And when it's done processing, I'm going to be showing you guys the proof on my Quantum wallet. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now, guys. Boom, guys. So as you can see right now, it says processing has been completed. So I'm going to head over to my Quantum wallet right now. So actually confirm this, guys. Okay, so let's go. Boom, guys. So as you can see down below here, it says I currently have 30 USDT on my balance right now. So what is the next step to take when you have actually, made a deposit into your account? So the next step would be heading over to the C2C section right here. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so over here that says Express, I'm going to hit on Express and just quickly do this, guys. Okay, over here that says TRX, I'm going to hit on it and just select USDT, and then I hit on Max. Okay, as you can see, 30 USDT is actually worth about 82 ATU. So I'm going to hit on confirm exchange right here, guys. I'm going to hit on confirm again. So let's see how this goes. As you can see, it is exchange successful. Okay, I'm going to hit on return. So guys, I'm going to hit on this place down below here that is ATS. I'm going to hit on the ATS section right here. As you can see, guys, ATU actually has the highest staking percentage over here, and the minimum you can actually stake on ATU is about 50 ATU. Okay, so the APR, which is a percentage for ATU right here, is actually 30%, and for TRX right here is actually 18%, and for USDT is also 18%. Okay, so you can also stake using your TRX and USDT, and you also get some good staking percentage right here. All right, so I actually converted my USDT to ATU. So I'm going to hit on this place up here that says join ATU. I'm going to hit on it. Here we are, guys. So over here says I currently have about 86 ATU on my balance right now. So I'm going to hit on Max right here to actually join. And down below here says estimated monthly returns will be 25.82 ATU. Okay, so this is cool. So down here that says join, I'm going to hit on join right now, guys. As you can see, it is successfully participated. All right, so I'm going to hit on done. All right, so guys, mind you, if I actually want to stop this trade right now and just take all my money back and withdraw out, it's very easy. All I just simply do is hit on this small right up sign right here at the top right corner of my screen. If I actually hit on it right now, as you can see, I can just simply hit on redeem, guys. Okay, and actually redeem all my money. So I'm going to pause this video and just quickly input my pin code right now. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, it says redemption successful. I hit on done. So currently, I'm no more participating anymore. If I actually want to convert my money back to ATU right now and just, withdraw out my money straight down into my crypto wallet, it's very easy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the wallet section right here and just simply hit on C2C. And over here that says Express, I'm going to hit on Express right here. And then over here that says TRX, I just simply hit on it and select USDT. And I'm going to turn this stuff right here and hit on Max, guys. Okay. As you can see, it says that 86.0 ATU is currently worth the sum of 31.3 USDT. Okay, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says exchange. I'm going to hit on confirm, guys. Okay, as you can see right now, it says exchange successful. I'm going to hit on return. So I'm going to hit on wallet right now. As you can see, my money is actually back on my wallet, guys. Okay, I'm going to refresh my wallet right now. Okay, so I currently have 30.8 USDT on my balance. All right, so that is basically how you can do this. So let's say you actually want to withdraw out your money straight down into your crypto wallet. All you just simply do is hit on the transfer section over here, and then you actually select the token you want to withdraw, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on USDT right here, and then I simply paste my address. I'm going to pause this video and quickly grab my address, guys. Okay, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, guys, so here we are. So I'm going to paste my TRC20 USDT address right here. So down below here says please enter amount. So I'm going to hit on all right here, guys. Okay, then down below here I'm going to scroll down. Over here that says confirm, I'm going to hit on the confirm button, guys. Okay, so as you can see, it says that the network fee is actually 1 USDT. So that is no big deal, guys. So down below here that says confirm. I'm going to hit on the confirm button, guys. I'm going to input my code right here. So I'm going to pause this video, guys. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it is transfer successful. So let's just give this some time until I actually receive this money inside my Binance account. And when I do, guys, I'm going to be showing you all the proof. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so Binance just sent me an email right now. So I'm going to scroll down my phone. All right, so as you can see over here, it says USDT deposit successful. You have successfully deposited 29.85 USDT as 2025-0510. So I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to hit on USDT right here. As you can see, I currently have 29.8 USDT on my balance right now. Okay, so that is basically how fast the withdrawals can be, guys. All right, so make sure to know that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I actually do right here on this channel is based on informational purpose and as well educational purpose. All right, so make sure to always do your own due diligence before you involve yourself in anything relating with crypto, because as you all know, guys, crypto trading is highly risky. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today, guys. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. If this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell icon, guys. Whenever I actually upload wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.